How to get motorcycle license in Florida. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. I will explain how to get either a motorcycle endorsement or a motorcycle only license. There are two options and I will break them down for you. First, the motorcycle endorsement. Florida law requires anyone applying for a motorcycle license or endorsement to complete a motorcycle safety course based on the Motorcycle Safety Foundation's curriculum. If you are already having a Florida driver's license, this endorsement adds motorcycle privileges to it. If you don't have a driver's license and only want to ride motorcycles, you can get a motorcycle only license. To do this, you will still need to take a safety course. Next, you will need to take either the Basic Rider course, BRCU, or the updated BSc course, BRCU. You can search online for a course near you by entering your zip code. Once you finish the safety course, you will get a completion card for the endorsement. Bring your Florida driver's license, the completion card, and pay $7 for the endorsement or $48 if you are renewing your license. Then visit your driver license office or tax collector's office to finish the process. Some offices may require an appointment, so it is best to check ahead. You can also visit the official website to find details about fee, course locations, and where to apply. If you are getting the motorcycle only license are under 18, you will need to complete the course, pass the knowledge exam, and fulfill some additional requirements.